Python is known for its simplicity and readability, and its diverse collection of data types is a crucial part of what makes it so popular among developers. Understanding these data types not only enhances your efficiency in coding, but also allows you to utilize Python's extensive capabilities effectively. Lists are one of the most versatile data types in Python. They are created by placing elements within square brackets, separated by commas, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Lists are mutable, meaning you can change, add, or remove items after the list's creation. The benefit of lists is their flexibility and the broad range of functionalities they offer. Lists are widely used in data manipulation, storing collections of items, and implementing various algorithms. Strings are sequences of characters used to store and manipulate text. You create a string by enclosing characters in either single or double quotes, hello, or world. Strings are immutable, which means once they are created, they cannot be changed. This immutability ensures that the strings have a consistent value throughout their lifetime, which can be particularly useful when ensuring data integrity in applications. Tuples are similar to lists, but they are immutable. You define a tuple by placing elements within parentheses and separated by commas, 1, 2, 3. Because they cannot change, tuples are generally used for storing fixed collections of items. Their immutability makes tuples faster than lists and is, therefore, a suitable choice for data that shouldn't change throughout the runtime of an application. Sets are unordered collections of unique items. You create a set by placing elements within curly braces, separated by commas, 1, 2, 3. Sets are useful for operations such as union, intersection, and difference between multiple sets, making them ideal for applications that require membership testing and duplicate elimination. Dictionaries in Python are collections of key-value pairs, defined within curly braces with a colon separating keys and values. Key 1, value 1, key 2, value 2. They are mutable, which means the values of the keys can be altered, but the keys themselves must remain immutable. Dictionaries are highly optimized for retrieving data and are used extensively for configurations, database interfaces, and more, due to their ability to efficiently map and store large datasets.